98% of online marketers don't see the amazing opportunities right in front of their very eyes because their own clients don't even see the opportunity. Seeing these amazing opportunities as an affiliate marketer will help your results skyrocket. And remember, you need two things to be able to sell something: trust and value. As an online marketer, finding new value is an absolute goldmine for you. Today, I'm going to give you a quick demo of a real life site which shows you exactly what I'm sharing with you today about finding hidden value, and that 98% of people don't see what is right in front of their very face. And if you as an online marketer, as an affiliate marketer, can see that value, find that value, then package that value, then you're going to just get some amazing results. And later on, I'll share with you an amazing tip that will help your affiliate marketing results just skyrocket even further. So stay tuned for that. So let's do it. Yoo-hoo! So let's look at a site called Photopea. Now, Photopea is a great site, and it's basically a Photoshop clone, if you like, but it's fully functioning. It's amazing. Now, basically, full disclosure, I don't have anything to do with this site. I'm not an affiliate for this site. I just use the site for basically all my all my image editing. And it's just a brilliant site. So if you want to use it, I highly recommend it. I get nothing from basically promote it today. But this is a really, really good example of what I'm sharing about hidden value hiding right underneath your very nose. Okay, let's open up an image. So this is the thumbnail for this video. So you'll probably have seen this already. Now, you tell me, where is the hidden value on here? And it's something that even the site owner doesn't know about. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. So coffee break for me. You go and work it out. Yoo-hoo! Did you work it out? Did anything just suddenly change on this screen? Did you notice anything? Well, can you see the value yet? Don't worry, 98% of people don't see this. Even the site owner doesn't see this. Okay, let me take you out of your agony. Over here, there was a different ad there. Now there it is, it's changed. So these ads are rotating. If I click on this, notice it says here, support Photopea. Well, that's okay, great, but you know, why? Has to be value. Well, to hide the ads. Well, they don't really bother me. I see ads everywhere. It's a free tool. I'm happy with the tool. Let's click on it and see if there's any more value. No ads. So the only value that this business is actually trying to share with me or sell to me is that no ads. Well, it's not a value to me. It could be a value to you, but it's not a value to me. What is a value to me is, notice on here, if I want to get this down here, I can shrink it down, and I want more space. I'm struggling. If I want to zoom in and edit something, then I'm limited in space. I'm working on a 13-inch MacBook Pro. So my screen size is limited, so the value to me is more screen real estate as a user. So I told you earlier on that I'll give you the tip. That's the tip. You must see value from your customer's perspective, not your own perspective. The owner of this site does not know that this real estate over here is very valuable to me to be got rid of, so I can get it back and have bigger images. Now, I'll show you a little tip in here. I've got to bring it back now because I've had to shrink it to get in here. Okay, this is a little tip, and it's a little plug for something too. Here we go. If you want to get rid of all those down here, you can just scroll down here like that. So nice little tip, huh? There we go. Check out happyboy.com. If you don't know what happyboy.com is, basically it's for affiliate marketers, managing all your bits and pieces, all your partners and all your links and everything. Great little tool. Free, no credit card required. Go give it a check out. Okay, end of the plug. Okay, scroll back, put it all back. So 98% of people don't see this. And if you can spot that hidden value, when you as an affiliate marketer want to actually sell and promote somebody else's product, you find that value, package it, put it together and present it to clients, and it's what the client wants, you're going to get the sales, you're going to get the results. Yoo-hoo! Whoa! I hope you got a lot of value there. And I put a lot of effort into these videos, so give me a thumbs up if you did get value. Hitting the like button would be really superb. Check out this video over here, because today you learned a lot more about value. This video is specifically about a formula, cash equals value. I won't tell you any more right now, but it's an amazing formula. And inside that video also tells you a lot more about an extended formula, which will allow you to create value on any business in any way. So check out that video. I'm sure you're going to love it. So catch you very soon, and thank you very much for watching. Yoo-hoo!